Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Make a video. Your wallpaper on Android. Newer versions of Android allow you to create live wallpapers natively, as well. Long press on the home screen, Wallpapers, select from Gallery, My Wallpapers, or Wallpaper Services greater than. Find the video wallpaper you want to use and apply. Install Video Live Wallpaper. 20 January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
TikTok videos. To turn a TikTok video into live wallpaper, first go to the video you want to use. The account must be public. Hit the share icon, the curved arrow on the right-hand side of the video, then hit live photo. The video will be converted into a live photo, which you can then find in your photo library. 7 May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
By using a new app called Still Shot, you can dissect a video, frame by frame, and save a single frame to your camera roll. Once you're ready to turn a frame from video into a photo, tap Save. The frame will then be saved to your camera roll. 15 May 2012.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.